Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the KENJI Tayou Solar Friends. So this is a cut. Can you see his hands moving? Watch. Look at this. Look at this. So yeah, this is meant to be a good look charm or something in China. This one, and there's something that brings you more good luck is the gold one. They do a dog version of this as well, but the cut one's more lucky apparently, so I got the cut one. So you can get it in two colors, red or green apparently, but I only saw this white one and the dog one. Yeah, so this is sold by KENJI, £3 something it was. Right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Might need some scissors. Let me have a look, guys. 1 second. Right, guys, you ready? Are you ready, guys? Oh, you bastard, get out. I literally just pulled it out. 1 second. There you go, in all its glory. The gangster. Alright, boss. Oh. There you go. Just have to help it out a bit if you get stuck like that, because you meant already. Thank you, boss. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So yeah, £3 something. Let's see if it brings me luck, guys. I'll keep you updated. Right now my luck is very bad, so no good. Okay, let me take this out now. What kind of stupid box is this? Oh. So yeah, pretty cheaply constructed, as you can see. There's no batteries for you to change, it's solar powered, so it will charge itself up and power off that. How long it will last, I don't know. But yeah, you can hear like the motor moving inside. Can you hear it? Okay, his hand move when I tilt it. So yeah, and back to waving now. Look, that's all he does. Thank you very much, KENJI. Very nice. I'm gonna give it a clean. Someone's had their finger on that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.